sacar release hasta 2 días. Efecto artístico, estrategia para independiente. I'm going to start explaining that. ¿Tú me entiendes? Y voy a empezar a aplicar esa vaina para la gente. Así que tú me habías dicho siempre que me pusieras esa vaina en Instagram, lo voy a hacer. Voy a ponerme a explicarle a la gente estrategia para arte independiente y vaina así. Porque mucha gente no.
We are at IKEA because I need a closet.
She took everything, the whole space.
I took the whole space.
Entirely.
He said that I have more clothes than he anticipated. So we're going to see if we can find me a PAX closet here at IKEA.
A closet that goes in the wall for me, I'm just saying.
For you or for me?
For you. But for me, the specs is one that we can put in the wall and she can just put all her stuff in there because I can't walk in the house anymore. It's bins all over the place.
Well, I mean, I haven't even officially moved in, so of course my stuff is still in bins.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
So anyways, but we're looking for me a closet, and I think we're going to see about getting me a closet custom made. That's what we're doing right now. We didn't come in here for this. Why are we here?
Well, because I want to remodel the kitchen of the house that we want to rent. So definitely want to have, want to raise the price of the rent, we need to upgrade the kitchen and stuff like that.
If that's your story, you can stick to it.
It is. Yes. We're going to be in this house for a year and a half until we finish the closing and everything. Then we're going to rent it off. We're going to go to a bigger home. So yes, this is what we're doing.
Okay. The stuff is really cute though, and that's really cute cabinets. I like that they have the glass on the front.
And I like everything is soft. You can just.
I know. So when you slamming stuff all day, I don't have to hear it because you don't. I don't slam doors. You do that. No, I don't. I don't. I don't know. That's just for the light fixture, though. I know. Yeah. We do have a corner for this. You would have to move your desk. Yeah. I don't know, but this is gorgeous.
In this house, we have to take one side and then over the other side. Just think one side costs $1.52 for the whole thing. Oh, this one doesn't have soft close.
No soft close. Well, I mean, you'll be somewhere away from me, so I don't have to hear you slamming that. It's very nice, though.
It is. I think I like it.
It gives organization. No, what you need to do. Whatever. Now this is beautiful.
I like this sink. This sink is good.
The sink is nice.
It's 32.
Wow, it's the cabinets with the lighting for me.
Oh.
Imagine seeing that on at nighttime with like glassware in there.
You know something? I just realized we can replace the doors with the one that we have.
I know. I've been saying this forever.
We'll put lights in there.
Why are you acting like you just came up with a grand idea?
There's some things that I can do. Is that soft close? Absolutely.
And look how it wraps around the fridge. Look at the other side of the fridge, the storage. Baby, you looking good, baby. Mmm. The last thing that you need is encouragement to add any more fancy liquor bottles to the house. We don't need that. It is not a necessity. Yeah, okay. I don't know how I overlooked this, but this stove is fire. Look at that range. That's gorgeous. Probably just for staging purposes.
It gotta be. This.
What?
This.
Why do we need that?
This is where we can put all the liquor,
All the liquor.
the
Again, we're
cigars.
looking for a bar area that you don't need
Why?
because you don't need one.
Well, it's supposed to, if I want to have like a water area with fancy
A
waters.
water area.
Whatever. I
You
just
see, he be finding any excuse to put more man toys in the house that we don't freaking need.
I barely got my hand space. Every
Yep.
space is yours now.
Hey, you heard it. This is my errand running look for today. I wanted to wear my legs out and it rained today. Just my luck. Okay, I actually like this one. He and I don't usually agree on art, but this one's pretty nice.
Like modern building walls. I got more traditional, historic, London vibe.
Oh my god.
1800s, early 1800s.
And see, I like more modern and black. But
More classic. Sherlock Holmes style.
and see, that's just not my thing. But hey, that's okay.
Another thing, Sherlock Holmes is one of my favorite people too. This is not that well.
I'm more feeling this one right here. I like the cabinet space, and I love whatever this TV has going on with these colors. It's selling to me, baby.
You know, in the living room, you have a area like TV, top, lights up there.
Yeah, yeah, but what about how that would affect the us watching TV with that coming from the top? Oh, behind. I thought you meant on the top from the ceiling. No, I thought you meant coming from the ceiling.
Well, yeah, because there's a hollow space inside of the back area, and the TV sits in the hollow place. So you just put the lights back there, and it will give you the entire white. It will give you that same effect right here. It's just like you won't see this lights in. So
Okay.
I think that might be something I'll work on. It's something that you guys like.
Okay.
No, I actually want glass I can see through the items that's in there so I can pick them faster, and I want to be able to have this space in the back there open. I'm gonna. So where do we put all the electronics items?
Put them somewhere else. I don't want to see them.
You know something?
You buy your man one new shirt, and he thinks
One new
he's
pants and one new shoes. Yeah.
and he thinks he's an Instagram model. Like, what are you?
I'm just a dad standing here trying to see the mirror that you are in the middle of my footage. That's why I need my own mirror because of these problems. All right, so what do we have here?
Looking at closets. I don't like any of these because I don't like. I want an open closet.
Can we go? If we follow this,
No. This is what we came for, to look at the PAX closets. I'm very interested in having one of these. I want to like triple or double these and make me one big super sexy luxury closet.
so 3 or 4 of these.
But I like the open ones. I just think, I know, babe, I'm just saying. This guy always looking at the specs of things, and I'm just looking at the aesthetics.
4 of these side to side from the bathroom door all the way to the close to the window. And then the close to the window space, you can actually put a drawer for you to have your accessories in the corner without wearing that corner. And grab 3 or 4 of these back to back so you can have all that space. The question is, can you fit everything in that space?
I can make it fit.
So if you don't want the door, actually these actually come perfect for this. Those doors won't.
This one is cute.
Bracket closed.
It's cute, but I don't think it's quite what I'm looking for, but it is cute. I think that this one's gorgeous. If I had like 3 or 4 of these, I might be on to something. I wouldn't mind having like 2 of these, but then adding one of those shoe racks, like a wooden shoe rack, so I could put my shoes in there, kind of like they have around the corner over here.
You have a lot of shoes.
I know
You need a lot of more shoe space than that.
that one has some shoe racks. So if I could get like a single one of those, or like this compartment right here,
Well, all shelf for shoes.
we're all shelf for shoes, and then this one for my clothes, because I love this and I love the lighting. That would be my perfect like closet.
Okay. So
Every component of this costs like a
it'll
different
be
price,
useful.
but it's extremely useful and it's gorgeous. No, sir. It's gorgeous.
I might be able to get one of these too.
And you can get them in black. So you can get these in black. So I think that's great.
That means if we get 3 of these, I might be able to take the closet again then. Use some of the closet too.
What did you say?
If you get 3 or 4 of these, that means I can use the closet too, by the way. Right?
My head just. Ooh, my head hurts real bad.
Discrimination against men.
Ooh.
We too.
We too? Oh
Me too.
Lord. Now they're trying to me too us, y'all. Okay, so I like.
These are sliding doors.
Okay, but still.
Okay.
Do they come out? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So I enjoy this a lot. The see-through. I think that's super sexy. But I would like a clear one, like a super clear one. I mean the glass clear. So they don't have one with like a clear see-through glass? What about towards the end? Okay. That's what I like. I think that's gorgeous. How much is this one? 145 for
Doorway hinges. White. Hold on, buddy.
that's gorgeous.
And this another one here. Oh, this is the glass. This is a mirror. It's not convenient because it's just bulky, and I don't see how many shoes you're gonna put per rack. Tell me. You know how many shoes you have? Still waiting. Crickets, 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 more crickets. And because I have a point, guess what? We're not getting that. You're welcome.
I don't think we need a million lights though, but I think it comes with. This is the most aesthetically pleasing one, I think. What do you
The
think?
last light. Look at the last light.
This one?
No, all the way at the bottom. That one.
You like this?
Yeah. It's cleaner.
I actually don't prefer that over this one.
Well, it's all happen. It's will be always a decision. So
Maybe if this was black, but I can't figure out how to get it.
it's not that it doesn't come in black.
But it should. It should.
No,
They do come in different colors.
They don't.
We've
The
seen
door
them.
comes in different colors.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. But that doesn't come in black. They will have a harder time trying to get those here. They already have a hard time getting
Well,
some
they're
of those.
custom though.
They're custom designed. They're not custom colored.
Oh no.
Oh, what? Okay. See, or save this. The frame is gold. See, this is not bad for living 85.
I think it's pretty cute what I have so far.
That's-
Let me look at the lights again, because you didn't like the lights. But
Okay.
see, they have these
Go-
in black,
go down,
so that's why.
go down.
Oh, you can change
Yes.
different ones. Okay, go down
Go
more.
right there. That
This?
one. Yes. Try those. Change the whole thing to those white ones.
You like that?
Yeah. Change all the lights to
I'm trying to figure out how to change all of them at the same time.
go to the top.
Okay.
X out in the lights. Okay, go back to lights again. In there.
And you
Go
said
up.
this one?
Go up. Remove the check mark from that one.
Okay.
Okay, there you go.
So you want this one?
No, white ones.
The white ones?
Yes. Now, when it shines, you won't see. In the daytime, you won't see nothing but light. In the nighttime, you see nothing but lights. That's all you will see.
But I like silver finish.
Sure.
Like I think silver finish is not. For me, I like shiny things.
No, I like things that look solid.
No, I like shiny stuff. I think this is pretty cute. I wonder if I can email this to myself. So this is the prices of everything that we just looked at. So for everything all together for this double closet and the quantities, it came out to be a little bit over $1,000. Well, about $1,200, which is not that bad.
But tax is not bad at all.
That's not that bad. So I'm gonna email this to
Email
myself.
yourself, yep.
This is gorgeous. How much is that?
Like $70. I
$79.99.
think it is. So now, yeah.
That's beautiful.
Oh, look.
So we are leaving IKEA. We saw some good things and we got some really great ideas.
Now we gotta come back.
Now we gotta come back. Well, really, we could order all that stuff.
Yeah, but I think when you come here and you see it, you kind of get a picture of everything that's happening, and you're like, okay, I might can do this, I can do that. See, we missed the entire first floor, so now we got a lot more to come back and see, like with the little details.
Yep, and all the artwork and stuff they had was really nice. So we're gonna get out of here because we got things to do. But we saw what we came to see, and we saved our designs and stuff. So hopefully we can come back and get something soon.